All right. Hey, man. So we're just adjusting a little Jack here. And we're here with Jack, and we're here with his mom.
Right, Scott?
Hi, Mom.
These are rough. These are
Who
always
is actually a nurse in South Nassau Community Hospital.
I am. Hi.
How long have you been a nurse over there?
Been a nurse there now for about 6 years.
So we're just checking his neck right here. His atlas is a little bit out of alignment. That's the first bone right there, so that shifts out of alignment. And the first time that usually happens is during birth. Because birth is traumatic, actually, right?
Mm-hmm.
Hi, buddy. Feels good, right? So I just got that contact right there on the right. Because when they're twisting and pulling them out, it shifts that atlas out of alignment, puts pressure on the brainstem, actually. So why did you decide to get him adjusted?
Because I think that chiropractic care is really important, starting from the get-go. It's going to help with his long-term health and his lifelong health.
Yeah, that's exactly right. He's flopping his head all around and he's going to start to walk. What we'll find is that kids that get adjusted, they don't have to deal with colic and constipation and reflux and ear infections and all that stuff. It helps to really keep his immune system boosted. Oh, that feels good, man. He's like the perfect candidate. He should be all over TV.
When to keep our pediatric bills up.
Exactly, right? Save on pediatric bills. Reason number 482.
Yeah.
Right, buddy? Awesome. And I'm just going to check it like this. Good. You're doing great, man. So we're just checking this out. Awesome. So just checking the thoracic, heart and lungs right there.
And he loves it.
Yeah,
He
definitely.
loves it. Oh, that's so
Because he knows what's good.
So good.
Awesome. All done.
Thank you so much,
Nice.
Dr.
Wave to the
Tasha. Thank you. Thank you for taking care of us.